So what insurance company will actually pay for a paid aide to come and take care of you? Now listen, if you need a paid aide, this is all you got to do is stick around until the end, because I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know. All right? So look, if you don't know who I am, my name is Kion Church. I'm your in-home healthcare guide. What I try to do is I try to help everybody with all things Medicaid and in-home healthcare. Now, if the two match up, then I'm your dude, all right? So the big question is, because a lot of people seem to need somebody, you know what I mean? Not necessarily a doctor, not necessarily a nurse's aide, a physician, you know, not none of these big time skilled people, but people, you know, regular people usually, you know, in certain conditions need somebody just to help them out around the house, you know, with the little things, you know, with the light work, I'm going to say. Now, I'm going to say light work, not saying that it's easy, not saying it's ever going to be easy, but what I'm saying is the kind of work that you don't have to go to school and get a degree for, all right? So look, let me back it up. Like I said earlier, my name is Kion Church. Now it's like 100 degrees in the studio, man. My pop keep it super hot in here. You know what I mean? We damn near roasting right now. So we got to get this in and out the way real fast. Now, who do I love to help? I love to help the financially challenged family members to become paid caregivers through the Medicaid long-term health care program. Now listen, the only reason why we're doing that is so everybody can have a chance to have some financial stability, all right? Now, financial stability is real important. You know what I mean? You can't even really get your life together or get your moves on because, you know, if the A to B is not meeting with that money, you know, it's going to go bad. You know what I mean? So I'm going to tell you today what you got to do. But first, if you're here with me live, I need you to hashtag live. If you're here with me in a rebroadcast, hashtag rebroadcast. Also, if you know somebody on Medicaid or needs an in-home healthcare person, tag them in the comments. Make sure you share this. You know what I mean? Do what you got to do, all right? So listen, it's only one insurance company. I tell people every day, this is like my biggest conversation. I'm going to just talk to you all real fast. The only insurance company that will pay for a, the only insurance company that will pay for a non-skilled person, meaning anybody that's never been to school, anybody that doesn't have a certificate, you know, or on their way to being a doctor, is Medicaid. Now, you must be in Medicaid and you must be in a long-term healthcare program in Medicaid. Now, this is a good thing. If you're already in Medicaid, all you got to do is talk to your case manager and say, look, my level of care has changed and I need somebody to come on out here and, you know, this is what we're going to do. So they'll slide you to this LTSS program, which is more commonly known as long-term care. You know what I mean? Now, that's where you're going to get all the best care. That's where you're going to get the people to come out to your house. And that's the only program that you can get that'll turn your son, your daughter, your loved one, your husband, your wife into a paid caregiver. Word. Now, how does that happen? You might ask, KC, how does all that happen? You know what I mean? We understand getting in the program and all that, but how does that work? Well, all you got to do is call me. Now, when you call me, if you're already in the program, all I'm going to do is I'm going to call your case manager and I'm going to say, look, Church said he ready. You know what I mean? He needs some help. He needs somebody to get out there. Miss Ludi, we need some help. You know what I mean? They call Reliable Aid for our services, and I'm going to need you to set it up. Now, what I'm going to ask your case manager to do is send me the authorization so I can get paid. You know what I mean? Now, when they pay me, I'm going to pay your loved one who's already taking care of you. See the beauty in this thing? Listen, what I do is I connect the paychecks to the pockets, baby. You know what I mean? I connect the paychecks to the pockets. This thing is real. See, it's just everybody doesn't know how to set it up. You know what I mean? It's a lot of companies. If you call, they're going to want to send somebody else out to your house. Look, man, COVID gearing jump back off. I don't know. That's what they talking about. You know what I mean? But what I'm saying is I don't want everybody in my house. You know what I mean? Like I take care of my pop every day. It's me and him. I don't want nobody from the outside in here. But what I do need is I need a paycheck. Because above everything else, first and foremost, me and Pop need to eat. You feel what I'm saying? You know, and we got other bills. You know, we got this light bill. You know, Pop ain't losing no money on an air conditioner. It's like 100 degrees in here. But we got a lot of bills going on. You know what I mean? And no money to pay the bills mean you're going to be in the street, man. So we definitely need that paycheck. Now, if you like me and you got to take care of somebody and they in that Medicaid long-term health care program, call me. 302-689-3240. 302-689-3240. All right, they texted me, how y'all doing today? Look, I'm going to keep it real brief with the message. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it's hot. What I want y'all to do is exert as much positivity as you can and pray for the best. And then when when you're trying to get into the program, then you call me and you say, look, KC, my mom's in Medicaid. What does she have to do to get me on as a paid caregiver? And I'm going to break it all the way down to you. Not only that, I'm going to call your mom case manager and I'm going to tell her, look, let's get these services started. This lady needs some help. All right. So if you can dig that, call me. You know what I mean? 302-689-3240. You know what I mean? Like my homegirl says all the time, KC, if you picking up what I'm putting down, let me know. You know what I mean? Hashtag live if you're here with me live. Hashtag rebroadcast if you're watching this in the rebroadcast. And if you're on other forms of social media, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you do whatever you got to do. But if nothing else, while you on here with me, make sure you share this message because this is an important message. You got a lot of friends and family members who maybe don't even know they're eligible for a paid caregiver. And then you got the person who got the bum company and they sending some people in there who don't really care about your mom and she's coming over when she want to and all that. Man, look, we ain't got time for that. I'm here now. I need to get paid. If that's your scenario, call me. All right. 302-689-3240. Hashtag live if you're here with me live, baby. Hashtag rebroadcast if you're in the rebroadcast. Look, I gotta go. I'm waiting on my administrator to bring me a nice big cheesesteak. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna eat dinner, and it is what it is. So look, make sure you catch me. Put your name in the comments. Hit me in the DM. Do what you got to do, but don't let this money get away from you if you're taking care of somebody. And if you're the person and you need some help, don't not secure a permanent person to help you out because you don't have no money to pay them. Medicaid long-term health care program that already took care of all that. All you got to do is call me and I'm going to make sure they take care of you. All right? 302-689-3240. 302-689-3240. Look, I love you. Don't let anybody shame or blame you into thinking that you're doing a bad thing. You taking care of other people because that's your nature and you're a good person. Let's get paid for it now. All right? I love you. I got to go. Peace.